Stay tuned to see how I achieve this style using this. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I recreated this beautiful hairstyle by Janae. Stay tuned. So I've split my hair into 3 sections, and I'm going to be going in with the lustrous pink edge control to make 3 ponytails. So after I do the ponytail, I am just going to twist that section up and then pin it up into a bun. So the 2 back sections are now done, and I'm going to move on to the front section. Again, I'm going in with the lustrous pink edge control and just pulling that up into a ponytail, twisting it up, and then making a bun. So I've already done the back section off camera. I'm going to show you on camera how I do the middle and the front section. Not going to do too much talking because it's kind of self-explanatory. You just have to pin it to your liking and just fluff it and style it and make it your own. I am using bobby pins to secure everything in place. I am using the equal Cuban twisting hair, so I am taking 6 strands of the hair and I am attaching a rubber band to it so that I can secure it around my ponytail. Once the hair is secure around my ponytail, I am splitting it in half and then I am going to flip the back part going backwards and the front part going forwards. Keep watching and you'll see what I mean. This style was so quick, so easy to do. There are so many different ways that you can rock this style. You can leave some hair out on the sides or in the front. The styles for this are endless. This is definitely going to be one of my go-to protective styles throughout the year. And here is the finished look. As you can see, I am so excited about how this turned out. Absolutely loving this style. Let me know in the comment sections what you think about this style. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.